Oh, it's so bored. Yeah. At least I wolves collide again. Yeah. I don't know why they collide. I'm so excited for Super Mario 3D World plus King Koopa's Fury. Yeah, it's supposed to be a Pokemon Snap and oh, they finally made the remake. Yep. Uh, just relapse. Mario Pikachu! We have we have found something something important. Well, it's not important, but we found something. Come on, you guys, see. Okay, what? It could be. Is it one of the mushroom poke items? Well, something like that, but here. Hey, let's see this thing. So what's this? Let me see. Yeah, looks like a cat coin. Well, I don't. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a coin. Looks like a cat, but I don't think it's a cat coin. It could be something else.
Hi guys. Yeah, hi.
Sup, sibling, other siblings.
What are you guys doing?
Well, we looking at this thing that Luigi and Poliwhirl follow upside.
What is this? Yeah. Hey, wait. Isn't this one of those cat chimes that we saw in the trailer? Oh, yeah.
Wait, so those are cat chimes?
Yeah. It's a new item. It's so wonderful.
Hey guys. Hey. Hey there, Yoshi Layton. Look what we found. What is that? Wait, isn't that one of those cat shines from the trailer that we saw? Yep, indeed it is. Let me see. Let me see that, Luigi. Oh god. Yep. Huh. Ah.
I'm so tired.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. That hits the spot. Huh? Hey me up, look what the twerps had. Let me see. Ooh. It's one of those cat shine things. From the trailer that we saw. This is the third time we've been seeing that in this episode. Yeah. Should we steal it? Nah. Maybe next time. Yeah, go playing coops. Let's go have dinner. I'm hungry. Yeah, that's. Oh god, sorry. Yeah, that's a good idea. It's a good thing they didn't steal it.
How did you know?
They were planning on stealing it, but who are we talking about?
King Koopa and King Meow.
Oh, wait, they were planning to steal the shine. I mean the cat shine. Yeah, but they didn't.
That's their tire.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're not the only ones. Exactly.
So cool.
Yep. So cool. Louis! What just happened? I don't know. Uh, okay, that was weird.